Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the display of the Mi11X device. So the reason why I'm doing a particular video on the Mi11X because the Mi11X has got the different type of technology, which is the Samsung E4 AMOLED type of technology. And right now in this video, I'll try to give you my quick thoughts and impressions about this display which is used in the Mi11X device, as you can see, friends. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also do check the links in description for more videos on this smartphone which I am using right now. So the Mi11X and the POCO F3, they both are having the same kind of specifications and everything is going to be same between both the phones. So right now I'm using the POCO F3 device and I'm using this phone for the past close to 1 month. So it's been close to 1 month of usage, friends, with this device. So that's what this long review is about after using for 30 days of usage with this Mi11X. So I'll be keep on saying Mi11X because Mi11X and the POCO F3 both are having the same kind of display and same properties and everything is going to be same. And this is a new type of technology, friends, which is used in this Mi11X, which is called the Samsung's E4 AMOLED type of technology. So which has got the HDR10 plus certified, and you do get the 1300 nits of peak brightness, and everything is going to be very much maxed out in this Mi11X device, friends. As you can see, even the touch sampling rate is increased to 360 Hz and refresh rate is 120 Hz, as you can see here. So 120 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate combined with the Samsung's E4 AMOLED technology. So overall, friends, I did have very good experience using this device for the past 1 month and never had any issues. But I'm saying small issues. So the small issue which I'm talking about is the brightness. So right now I'm using the POCO F3, friends. So in the POCO F3 there's a problem of low brightness issue and the dimming issue, and I did a video on that one particular model, so as you can check this video as well. So the problem is that once the phone gets certain temperature, like heat up to 45 degrees, the brightness will automatically decrease. So that is what happened in the POCO F3. I'm not sure about the Mi11X device. So apart from that, I never had any issues in this particular model. So overall, friends, in terms of the display, I'm giving 10 out of 10 except that problem, so maybe 9 out of 10. So everything is highlight in this phone. The touch sampling rate, the refresh rate, and everything is really good. Even a lot of games, they do support the 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So right now I'm trying to play one of the games, so let me try to show you 120 Hz support rate. As you can see here on the top, you can clearly see 120 Hz gameplay going on. So absolutely, friends, the Mi11X is very good, and for the price of 30,000, you are getting a 120 Hz Samsung E4 display and 360 Hz touch sampling rate combined with a very powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset. So these were the things are really interesting for this mobile, so which I'll try to do a separate video, what are the things I like about this phone. But after using this Mi11X for the 30 days of usage, in my experience, I never had any issues apart from that dimming problem. So overall, it was very good experience, friends, using this device. I particularly like the display, how good it looks, and there are a couple of different options also available in the settings if you go to the display. So AI engine, so there are 2 different options which are available. If you want, you can enable those options. So let me try to open the MX player and show you one of the special mode, so which is called the style mode. So here you can select different kind of video styles and format, white and black, HDR format, vibrant, and all those things. So by using this, you can even increase and customize the display of this Mi11X. So not only the hardware, even the software should be very good enough to provide this kind of all the options. As you can see here, even the white and black, everything looks perfectly good. As you can see, friends, the most favorite is that HDR mode. So we do have HDR mode inbuilt. That's a very good thing. And we do have very small notch punch hole camera here, so that is also another advantage. So overall, friends, in terms of the display, it's very good, so no complaints about the display. I am very much happy with this phone. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be doing a lot of videos on this one as well right now. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.